Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. One second. Ma'am. Madam. Ma'am. सर थोड़ा ये सर बस सर यहाँ देखिए यहाँ पे देखिए सर को बोलता हूँ सर मैम 1 सेकंड सर मैडम प्लीज मैम या 1 सेकंड मैम यहाँ पे गुलशन या प्लीज निवान भैया गुलशन या इकडे मैम सर सही है आवाज कसं नाही बाबा भूषणिया सही है सर इधर नहीं सही है गुलशन या भूषणिया मैं भी आगे आना आगे मैम यहाँ पे सर होल्ड सर कहाँ पे या कहाँ पे सर मैम यहाँ पे सर 1 सेकंड मैम सर सही है मैम 1 सेकंड सर यहाँ पे आना ये क्या
I'm going to get lucky today because my wife has just packed up from her shooting and she's on her way here, so I feel really lucky. Generally very positive response. People seem to be really excited about the promo, and I think I wasn't really sure what kind of a response we would get, but I think in 2 days we got a million hits on YouTube. And now it's playing on TV also. So I'm getting a lot of calls and on social media through Facebook and Twitter. Mostly Facebook, people are sending me messages about how much they love and how much of intrigue the trailer has generated. So it's nice. It's a really good feeling that before the film releases, no matter how much publicity we do, at the end of the day, if people like the trailer, they'll come and watch it. So that's great. Sun lu bhai. Okay, see, now the thing is, I have a problem with this word sex comedy. The thing is, like, the moment when you say sex comedy, it's a word association thing. Then you start associating with double meaning dialogues. The thing is, like, most of the films that are made in our country, I'm not saying all, most of them seem to, have like, sexual jokes or sexual innuendos or double meanings. Such films. I'm not saying they're bad. They have their own audience, and it's good that all kinds of films need to be made in this country. But Hunter is not a sex comedy in that sense. Like, there are no titillating jokes, or there's no sexual innuendos or below the belt remarks, or some gali galoch just for the sake of gali galoch. It's a very honest and innocent film. It's a very straightforward film, and it's a coming of age story of this character called Mandar Pongshe, who has a large appetite for sex. So that way, I think it's not a sex comedy in a very conventional sense. I'm very pro rating system. I think it should be an age rating system. I would really welcome that. I think that would be a huge leap for our industry.
But the poster we see there, has it run into some kind of trouble because some reports did say that it has been banned?
The poster has been banned. Yeah. Poster has been banned. I don't like it myself because my nipples are visible. I'm a little embarrassed about that. Yeah. I wish I had done a few more like bench presses and I had like. But anyway, I was playing a very ordinary guy, very average, sort of average guys like people, Mandar Pongshe is the guy who's traveling in a local train and all that, so he has to look average. So my body also had to look average. So I'm sorry, I'm an actor, I'm a little vain. So when I look at that, I was like, shit, yaar, pecs gir rahe hain, thoda sa tight hota to maza aata. So that way, yeah, I would ban it because I'm not looking really cool in it. Yeah. Okay, cheers.
I hope for the next week and 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I get lucky. Yeah. No, it hasn't been banned or anything of that sort. I really don't know. I just got to hear about it also. So I've been seeing all the posters, all the billboards there. So I don't know where the reports came from. I think personally, yes. And I personally think that the rating system should be there because it doesn't make sense. And I personally also feel that it is a certification board and not a censor board. So just certify the whole thing and then that's about it. Yeah, done. Thank you, sir.
यहाँ पे सर यहाँ से
I think, expectations are kind of like, they're always high. I don't think that we make a film without expecting something. I think we like to take risks, and we like risks to pay off, and they have been paying off in the past, and hopefully this one will also pay off as well. It's a lovely film. It's a very sweet film. It's a beautiful little film. It's a coming-of-age film, and all that sort of stuff, and it's funny and it's quirky, and I just think I'm expecting the world. So yeah, whatever. First time I'm hearing it, so. We face the normal kind of censorship issues in the sense that there are about 4 or 5 cuts that we have done, and but it's normal. I don't think that we were expecting pretty much the same, and I think what we were expecting is what we've actually got. Maybe a year ago we wouldn't have got any cuts, but 4 or 5 cuts is better than having 30 cuts and 40 cuts, which is what a lot of people have been worried about. So. Based on what they're saying, yeah, I'm very hopeful. I'm extremely hopeful after last night's meeting. It sounds good. We need a ratings board. We don't need a censor board. We don't need people telling us what we should watch. It's just a question of which age is appropriate to watch it. And I think that if that does go ahead, and we have a ratings board, I think it's a wonderful thing for the future. I think it's a trust value associated with the name. Phantom, Anurag's name or Vikas's name or any of our names brings a sense of trust value to the film. Which I बात तो करने दो यार center बोलो तुम लोग. क्या रे? I think just having the name brings us a trust value in the sense that people like to watch a film which has got a name associated with it that they actually sort of like can can trust in, and whether it's Anurag's name or Phantom's name, any of these names, it adds for them a sense of trust. You know, this is a film that, okay, even if these guys are pushing it, means there must be something in the film which is worth seeing. You know, so whatever 5%, 10% it adds to it, I think that's good. No? Sorry? It is, well, I don't know if it's a responsibility, I just think it's a question of... Huh? No, so like as I was saying before, it's a question, we like to take risks on films, and we like to sort of push the films that maybe nobody else will make or nobody else will push out there, because we love them. We love the films, we love the scripts, we love the filmmakers, we say that these are the films we want the world to see. And so yeah, I mean, maybe it's a responsibility, but I think it's more about just the good stuff should be out there, and the Phantom can help in any which way. 5%, 10%, 2%. In pushing those films there, I think that's what we're trying to do. Don't reject me. I feel I'm being rejected. Thank you.
एक्चुअली मैं ऑनेस्टली बताती हूँ कि जो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से ये फिल्म ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हो जाए, ऐसा कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये फिल्म ऐसी है जो देखेंगे जब लोग, क्योंकि अभी बहुत स्पेकुलेशंस है कि सेक्स कॉमेडी है या ये है या स्लीजी है, चीप है, क्या है, और जब देखेंगे तब आई थिंक it has a very lovely connect that people can identify themselves very quickly. So I have a feeling that, or also this year has been really good. I mean, of course, last year we had Queen and films like that, but this year Badlapur and then Dum Laga Ke Haisha, NH10, they've done so well that we are really hoping that even this film with the word of mouth will hopefully entertain people more. लड़के को हंटर, दिस हंटर इज अ लिटिल डिफरेंट. वो जो हंटर है ना, वो हंटर नहीं है, ये लड़का ही हंटर है. सो ही इज़ बेसिकली गेजिंग और देख रहा है कि ये शिकार है आज का या ये शिकार है इस महीने का, जो भी है. तो आई थिंक गर्ल्स आर ऑल्सो लाइक दैट समटाइम्स. गर्ल्स आर हंट्रेस और व्हाटएवर, हंट्रेसेस. वी मेक अ जोक कि अगली फिल्म बनाएंगे हंट्रेस और 3S के साथ. तो आई थिंक आई हैव बीन अ हंट्रेस समटाइम्स इन माय कॉलेज डेज. And I've been hunted also, I think. So we all have been. Once you see the film, you will exactly know what I'm trying to say. Next is actually exciting is Mountain Man with Ketan Mehta's. He's directed it and it's with Nawazuddin Siddiqui. That's something that I'm really looking forward to. But there are other two films also. One is Parched, which is an Indo-US collaboration. It has a really fantastic A-listers technician from Hollywood, including Russell Carpenter, who's the DOP of Titanic, and Kevin Tent, who edited The Descendants. So I think that the two projects I'm really excited about. See, I'll tell you what, I always thought that the board was certification and not for censoring it early. So I'm quite, I'm not sure what I feel about the whole thing. When we did the film, when we made the film, this team was not there. We made it 2 years ago. So it's changed, rules have changed, even the promo and then now it's changed. But luckily, in our film, though the perception is such, there is nothing that could be censored. So I think we've got some 3 or 4 cuss words which went, but other than that, there was nothing to be cut. So that's fortunate. Okay. No. Is that it? Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the film.
मेरे को क्या मालूम उधर जो होगा उसको बोल चलेंगे. अच्छा ये देखो वो तो मार एक्सक्यूज मी थैंक यू मैम. आजा तू जा मैडम आजा तू संग मराठी मैडम रुकिए ऑर्डर प्रमाणे
पागल आदमी नहीं था सर इधर देखो बोल
सही बोल
मैडम मैडम इकडे बघा इधर
अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स एक्सपेक्ट करिए बिकॉज पीपल हैव लव्ड द ट्रेलर दे हैव really loved it and everybody is very keen to watch the film and so am I, so let's see, I hope people like it. बिल्कुल मिला है काफ़ी लोगों ने परफॉर्मेंस की तारीफ़ की है सब लोग की और ट्रेलर को 2.5 मिलियन से ज़्यादा लाइक्स है सो आई एम होपिंग they love the film as much as they've loved the trailer. Thank you. Thank you.
नाव का है गोपाल
गोपाल चंद किसका
सविता भाभी
सविता भाभी किधर है मेरे को देखने का किधर है सविता भाभी
ये शांताराम
कैंडिडेट चाहिए सर ओहो आप लोग भी कीजिए मैम कुछ अरे भाई कैंडिडेट बोलो ना खाली उठाने के लिए किसी को
केळा कुठे केळा
केला उसके बाद
केला
सर कुछ मस्ती कीजिए ना आप लोग सिंपल फोटो हो रहा है हाँ बहुत अच्छा ओ चलिए लोग वही है रखो
परत
सब कीजिए मस्ती कीजिए मस्ती और कुछ मस्ती
हाँ मस्ती पिक्चर देखो मस्ती
मुग्धा जी यहाँ पे मैम यहाँ पे मुग्धा जी
राइट कॉर्नर यस
मुग्धा जी मैम वन से होल्ड
मुग्धा इकडे समोर मुग्धा
मैम थोड़ा
हाँ सोनाली सेंटरला
या मैम
सोनाली इकडे सोनाली इकडे सेंटर हाँ
मैम एक्सक्यूज मी वन सेकंड होल्ड थैंक यू
सोनाली एक मिनिट हाँ एक मिनिट ये थांब रे इकडे तुझं नाही सोनाली हाँ सोनाली जी इकडे हाँ थैंक यू
अरे अली सर यहाँ पे आइए ना अली यहाँ पे अली यहाँ पे अली होल्ड अली यहाँ पे अली थैंक यू ये क्या करने आया
Your right side. Right. अरे यार क्या ये
See, I haven't seen the film yet, so I just saw the trailer and I found it actually interesting. So it's very difficult to judge what it is, but definitely looks like an interesting film, and it's been made by a lot of people from the Film Institute who I know, and they made it with a lot of, they put in a lot of effort to make it. They didn't have money to make it, and so I'm here actually to support that. Yeah.
So you were present at the meeting happened yesterday with the CBSE members. So how did the meeting go, and also do you think a positive change will come in?
The meeting with the INB Minister, Mr. Rathore, was actually very nice. It was a very cordial meeting, and he came out as a very interesting person who, and the meeting I think I would say was a very constructive one, because all the issues we had were brought onto the table, and some of them were addressed, and all those notes were taken back, and with the assurance that there would be some constructive solutions to this, and a lot of it would be solved. I would say it was a big step forward.
Some of the members in the meeting yesterday also suggested the rating system. Are you in favor of that?
Yes, it was suggested that there should be more than censors. It should be called it should be a certification system, which is actually the name of the board is CBFC, when you call it Central Board of Film Certification. So instead of censoring things, they should be certified. There should be a rating system where, with extreme, you rate it like that, and so without really destroying the work of art, you say that this is. So it's been, I think it's being looked into. Thank you.
रीचा जी यहाँ पे, रीचा जी यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे। रीचा जी का, रीचा जी, रीचा जी, रीचा जी, होल्ड, होल्ड, होल्ड। मैम यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे। रीचा जी का, मैडम, मैडम, प्लीज।
नेक्स्ट लुक सेंटर।
तो मेरे अपना स्टाइल का था गाना, तो उसी किस्म का गाना है ये। इसमें शायरी भी है, और इट्स अ वेरी मेलोडियस सॉन्ग। जी हाथ से परमानेंट हो जाते, दिल के एंगेजमेंट हो जाते, उसने झांकाना कार से, वरना सैकड़ों एक्सीडेंट हो जाते। हाँ, तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी का सीक्वल आ रहा है, सेकंड पार्ट है। उसका मुखड़ा वही है, उसके अंदर जितने भी स्टैंजाज है, अंतरे हैं, जो शेर है, नज़्म है, जनवरी फरवरी की स्टोरी, वो बिल्कुल नई है, और सब अंतरे बिल्कुल नए हैं। और लोगों को, क्योंकि मैं जब भी शो में परफॉर्म करता हूँ, तो इट टेक्स 45 to 1 hour फॉर तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी। मुखड़ा तो वही है, उसका अंतरा बिल्कुल नया है, वो सस्पेंस है, नहीं सुना सकता। हाँ, पुराना वाला सुना सकता हूँ। तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी, साथ क्या निभाओगे, तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी, साथ क्या निभाओगे, तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी, साथ क्या निभाओगे। सुबह पहली गाड़ी से घर को लौट जाओगे। और कुछ पूछना है? It's done. Thanks.